think I've ever seen a country so beautiful. It's like a different planet or something. It doesn't even look real. It's just magical.
C'est bon, ça marche?
Ouais, ça marche.
Ok. Donc voilà, je voulais faire une petite vidéo avant qu'on prenne la route, car je voulais faire une vidéo pour mes parents, au cas où je meurs sur la route aujourd'hui. Car j'ai eu la bonne idée de laisser, voilà, comme vous voyez, le volant à Poppy. C'est la première fois qu'elle va conduire du côté gauche, ouais, et qu'elle va conduire un van aussi. Donc je voulais dire à mes parents, à mes amis que je vous aime. Si vous n'avez pas de nouvelles de moi dans les prochaines heures, c'est que soit je suis à l'hôpital, ou soit on est mort. Donc voilà.
Ouais, peut-être.
Donc deuxième vidéo, ça fait 2 minutes qu'on est parti. Moi je sens mon cœur qui va sortir de ma poitrine.
Non mais en fait moi j'ai peur de passer.
Et j'ai pris mon petit nounours au cas où si je dois mourir, au moins ma petite soeur elle sera avec moi quoi. Et là il y a Poppy qui est en train de conduire.
It's so weird turning right. Look,
ok, là il y a Poppy qui est en train d'essayer. Doucement, doucement.
Oh god.
Slowly. Ok.
So awkward.
J'ai l'impression que c'est la première fois qu'elle conduit une voiture. J'ai l'impression que je suis moniteur d'auto-école. Genre doucement, pas trop vite.
So
elle est en train de casser la voiture, je crois.
I don't know so I don't know if this is actually legal though, because I have my driver's license, but it's not an international driver's license. I don't know the law here, I didn't look it up.
Tu penses qu'on va survivre?
I don't know, I don't like these turns.
Oh la putain. Ok, je vais vous montrer comment elle conduit, au moins vous allez comprendre pourquoi j'ai vraiment... Je vais mourir.
I don't like to turn right, it's awkward.
Turn on the right or turn on the left, same thing?
No, it feels very awkward.
Slowly, stay like this, slowly. You don't have to, like slowly.
Oh, I learned to drive like a race car driver, that's so...
J'ai mes mains, elles sont, je sais pas si vous pouvez voir, mais elles sont mouillées quoi. Trempées. Dégueulasse. Ok, donc elle est vraiment très perdue. Oh la vache.
Oh, there. À gauche.
Ça
putain là.
On regarde pas. Arrête de rigoler. T'as ma vie entre tes mains là. C'est bien, au moins t'es heureuse. Parle de me tuer, t'es contente.
We just stopped on the side of the road to give, me a break because this one's panicking. I've driven in a motorcycle, but not a car, and it's just very awkward. So we had to give this one a breather. He's in serious panic mode. Ça va?
No.
Why?
Because you don't know how to drive.
I do know how to drive.
Every time.
I what?
Yeah, you break every time.
Well, that's because I'm scared. I don't. It feels awkward.
I'm fucking scared. Most of you.
He's got his little
teddy bear.
I don't know if anybody who has had this experience of being on the opposite side, but it's just awkward. Even the blinker. Did you know the blinker's on the other side? So I went to pull over on the side of the road to fly the drone, and I didn't realize that the blinker is actually on the right side too. So I touched this and it's the windshield wiper.
Oh, tu survives.
We just
Tu peux
got...
fermer la clé.
I can't...
Ah,
So we just parked. I'm trying to vlog and you interrupt me all the time.
yeah.
We just got to our spot in the campsite.
Okay. So?
And now we're gonna set up tent, and Eddie's gonna stop talking because I'm trying to talk to my audience, people who care about me, not you. There's actually quite a lot of people here. When we were driving in, I don't know if you can tell, but way out here in the distance, there's tons of other caravans. It's really nice because it kind of makes all of this like, I don't know, like one big giant family. Everybody camps outside, so it's completely normal. I'll set up in my tent. Ooh, it's really bright here. Whew. Just gonna relax, got my coloring book, and I've got this beautiful view that's really bright behind me, but just gonna chillax. Got a nice cider while Eddie cooks dinner.
Pop a bottle, about to make it rain. Let me give you something now to celebrate. Come on, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good.
Tonight we're having chicken, rice with chia seeds, and some salads. Whew. And it's a bit colder here tonight. Yeah, so I don't know if I already said this, but we're about an hour from Milford Sounds, so that's where we'll be going tomorrow. But we're camping out here tonight. Cheers to a meal together.
Non, non, non.
Comme
non.
tu veux.
Non, finis ça. Voilà. I love you.
No, 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 pas maintenant. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
To this beautiful view, not you. When we first got here, it was all cloudy and we couldn't see anything. We're getting really worried, like we came all this way, we drove hours and hours to come to Milford Sounds, and it's just, we were in a cloud. And so we went through this tunnel that went on for about 1 kilometer. And then we come out and we're in this. Another world, like we entered another planet. It's very cool.
Like
yeah.
Jurassic Park.
Yeah, exactly. It's like Jurassic Park. So we have now come into Milford Sound and we're about to take this boat behind me, which I'm a little nervous because I get seasick, but yeah, hopefully it'll be beautiful. You excited? You look it.
Yeah.
You look so excited.
Yeah, because I'm still sleep.
T'as déjà bu 2 cafés?
Je dors encore.
He drank 2 coffees and he's still tired. Just unreal. It's no wonder why big movies like the Lord of the Rings trilogy, The Hobbit, Jurassic Park, and many more were filmed in this magnificent national park. You're just surrounded by these mountains that were once a huge mountain range, but over the course of 600 million years were reshaped by erosion and tectonic plates to create this magical place. Along our cruise, there were these beautiful natural waterfalls, some of them permanently flowing year-round. And one of them is called Lady Bowen Falls, and it actually provides a source of both water and electricity for the residents of Milford Sound. Perhaps the best part of this entire experience is that there's no cell phone coverage and very limited Wi-Fi in the national park, so your only choice is to take in your surroundings and appreciate all of its natural beauty because you're cut off from the outside world. According to Māori legend, the natives of New Zealand, Milford Sound was formed by Tute Karaki Whenua. He was an atua, or godly figure, who was in charge of shaping the Fiordland coast. While chanting a powerful karakia, he hacked at the towering rock walls with his toki, a similar tool to an axe, and carved it from the earth. The Māori name for Milford Sound, Piopio Tahi, means a single piopio. When the legendary hero Maui died trying to win immortality for his beloved people, a piopio, which unfortunately is now an extinct bird in New Zealand, was said to have flown here mourning. Māori people living in the South Island discovered Milford Sound more than 1,000 years ago. The tribes would travel here to fish and hunt around the fjord and collect precious ponamu, which is another word for types of jade. A sailor named John Grono was the first European settler to visit. He named Milford Sound after Milford Haven, a long narrow inlet on the Welsh coast. Today, Milford Sound is New Zealand's most famous tourist destination and is frequently on the top list of the most beautiful places in the world. If you'd like to get exclusive videos on my daily life, advice on travel, and being an influencer, go to patreon.com/where'spoppy. Get access to early releases, updates about my travels, exclusive monthly Q&A videos, and my secret podcast. For information about my film equipment, travel insurance, music, VPN, other social media accounts, and more, check out those links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Quel poulet t'aimes bien?
No.
Le poulet comment t'aimes bien?
No.
Allez, dis.
I like dark meat.
Non. Quel poulet t'aimes bien? Le poulet?
No.
Le poulet?
No.
Le poulet?
No.
De quelle couleur? Le poulet noir. Moi, j'aime pas le poulet blanc. Moi, j'aime pas le poulet blanc. J'aime le poulet noir. Ah, j'en ai entendu des choses. Alors ça c'était vraiment sympathique, hein.